Tired of mediocre live streams and recordings? Let's settle the score. Streamyard vs Riverside.fm in a head-to-head battle for live streaming supremacy. First up, Streamyard, loved for its simplicity. Its user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to invite guests, share your screen, and customize your broadcast with branded overlays and backgrounds. Perfect for beginners dipping their toes into live video. One of Streamyard's biggest draws, multi-streaming. Broadcast to multiple platforms simultaneously, expanding your reach without extra effort. Plus, direct integrations with major platforms make setup a snap. Now, Riverside.fm enters the arena, boasting studio-quality recordings. Unlike Streamyard, Riverside records each participant's audio and video locally, ensuring crystal-clear quality even with dodgy internet connections. This local recording is a game-changer for podcasts and interviews. Say goodbye to choppy audio and pixelated video. Riverside's Magic Editor also simplifies post-production, allowing you to quickly trim, add music, and polish your recordings. But which platform reigns supreme for you? It boils down to your needs. Streamyard wins for easy live streaming and multi-platform reach. Riverside dominates when pristine recording quality and simplified editing are paramount. Consider your budget, technical skill level, and content goals. So, will you be Team Streamyard or Team Riverside? Weigh the pros and cons, test them out, and let us know which platform you choose in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more streaming showdowns.